Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will learn how to protect from phishing. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. How to protect from phishing. Protecting yourself from phishing requires a combination of awareness, caution, and technical measures. Here are some steps you can take. Number 1. Be vigilant. Always be cautious when you receive emails, messages, or phone calls asking for personal or sensitive information. Phishing attempts often come disguised as legitimate requests from trusted organizations. Number 2. Verify the source. Before clicking on any links or downloading attachments in emails, verify the sender's email address or phone number. Look for any discrepancies or suspicious elements in the communication. Number 3. Check the URL or Uniform Resource Locator. When you receive a link, hover your mouse over it to see the actual URL. Be cautious on URLs that seem slightly altered or redirect you to unfamiliar websites. Number 4. Use security software. Install and regularly update reputable antivirus and anti-malware software on your devices. These programs can help detect and block phishing attempts. Number 5. Enable two-factor authentication or 2FA. Whenever possible, enable two-factor authentication for your online accounts. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification such as code sent to your phone. Number 6. Educate yourself and others. Stay informed about the latest phishing techniques and educate yourself about how to spot them. Share this knowledge with friends, family, and colleagues to help them stay safe online too. Number 7. Be cautious on social media. Phishing attempts can also occur through social media platforms. Be wary on friend request messages or posts containing suspicious links or requests for personal information. Number 8. Protect your personal information. Avoid sharing sensitive information such as passwords, financial details, or social security numbers through email or text messages, especially if you didn't initiate the communication. Number 9. Report phishing attempts. If you receive a phishing email or message, report it to the relevant organization. If impersonating a company or service, and forward it to the appropriate authorities such as Anti-Phishing Working Group, EPWG, or the Federal Trade Commission, FTC. And lastly, stay updated. Keep your software operating system and web browser up to date with the latest security patches and updates. This helps protect against known vulnerabilities that phishers may exploit. By following these steps and staying vigilant, you can significantly reduce the risk of falling victim to phishing attacks. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on how to protect from phishing or phishing attacks. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.